Good day, everyone. Check out this panini maker I have here from Vevor. It's a commercial sandwich panini press grill. Here's everything that came in the box. It's got the maker itself. Comes with a couple brushes, some serving tongs, a whisk, and a couple sponges for cleaning. And to turn this thing on, press that right there. All right, you can see that it's plugged in. Got the heat going. You adjust your temperature right there. All right, we got everything ready to go for these paninis. Let's get this thing warmed up. We're warming it up already. And we got some salami and pepperoni here, sourdough bread, provolone cheese, turkey, bunch of mixed vegetables, red onions, tomatoes. Once you got your sandwich made and all ready, go ahead and just apply a little pressure. You just close that top and apply a little bit of pressure. You don't want to totally smash it, but just a nice even pressure on there and leave it and let it cook. You can cook a couple of these at once too, but we just chose to do them one at a time. While that other one's cooking, we're getting this one ready. And while we were making these, we were thinking this thing would be really great for cooking Reubens too, or like the crunch wraps, breakfast burritos, that kind of thing too. Here we're just using the tongs that came along with the kit. This cooks the sandwich on both sides, top and bottom at the same time. Well, these sandwiches turned out totally awesome and delicious. This panini maker was really easy to use. It's a no-brainer. You turn the thing on, set your temp, put your panini, put your sandwich on there, and you're ready to go. And just let it cook for as long as you want, till the cheese melts, till whatever you're cooking in there is obviously ready. Yeah, look at this. We're serving it up with some fries and ketchup too. So real good meal here. Thanks, Vevor. Great product, great panini maker you have here, and I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, everybody.